Good morning children. Welcome back to Maths online class supported by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. In the last class we have learnt the chapter 11 Mensuration and we discussed TSA of a cylinder. Today's session we will be discussing the problems based upon cylinder and its TSA. Okay. First question, a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How many sheets of metal is required? Here the tank is in the shape of a cylinder and that cylinder is closed. So we should find the TSA of cylinder. What is the formula of TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. Or 2 pi r into h plus r. We can substitute the values. The value of pi 22 by 7, radius is 7 meter and height is 3 meter. Substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 10 we will get 440 meter square. That is the area of the sheet also. Next question, a road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter. So children, you have seen the road roller is rolling over the road. The lateral face will only be touching on the road. So by one complete revolution, the area covered will be the area of the cylinder. Area of the lateral surface area. What is the lateral surface area? 2 pi r h. So the area of end faces or circular area is not needed here. Because when the roller is moved along the road, the end faces will not touch on the road. Only the side face, that means lateral face, is only touching there. So we should find the lateral surface area 2 pi rh. So substitute here diameter 84, so radius 42 centimeter and height is 1 meter, that means 100 centimeter. So by calculation 2 pi rh we will be getting 1980 meter square. First we will get in centimeter square, that will be divided with 10,000 to get in meter square. So that is the area of the road also. Exercise question finished. I left 3 questions for you. You people do that question. Okay. Try and do. Next, our topic is volume of cube, cuboid and cylinder. The concept of volume you have already learnt in lower class. What is the volume of a 3-dimensional object? Volume is the amount of space occupied by that object. How much amount is needed to occupied by that object? That is the volume. The unit of volume is cubic unit because 3 measurements are multiplied there. We will write centimeter cube, meter cube, etc. Okay. First we can see the volume of a cube having side A. That means here all the sides are the length of A. Then the volume of a cube is equal to A cube. What do you mean by A cube? A into A into A. Because you already know volume of cube is side into side into side. Okay. What is the volume of cuboid? If the length is L, breadth is B, height is H. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So the volume of cuboid is LBH, length into breadth into height. Understood? Volume of cube, side into side into side, and volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Next formula is for volume of cylinder. If the radius is r and height is h for a cylinder, then volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. pi r square h. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. That means base area into perpendicular distance. Base area pi r square into height is the volume of cylinder. If we observe all these formula of volume, we can see that the volume of any solid shape is base area into height. That means a cube. We can write s square into a. That is base area s square for a cube and its height a. Base area into height. This is an important concept. That means volume is base area into height. Volume of cube a cube, and volume of cuboid is L into B into H, length into breadth into height, and the volume of cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. Moreover, for any solid, volume is the product of base area and height. Children, you study this formula by this weekend and do the rest of the exercise problem yourself. The problems from this topic volume we will do in the next class. Thank you. We can meet in the next session.